Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 12 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem and everything in between and all the description and stuff. Before I start, this is a easy poem, but before I start, I am going to El Salvador in a couple of, like in a week or two. So if you are from El Salvador or, if you have any tips, let me know in the comments. Might even do a quick meetup food situation if anyone's actually around. If not, that's okay. I will try to mention it the next couple of days if I remember it. But yeah, and then the second thing is yeah, well, it's gonna be day 14 of the World Chess Championship. It's very exciting, down to the last game and tiebreakers and all these things. Let me know in the comments who you support, who you are rooting for, and what do you think will happen. I'm just curious. I myself, honestly, I usually just root for drama, and tied game or tied match is as dramatic as it can get, so I'm just excited. The only part that's a little bit annoying is that it is in Singapore, which is just like, in New York. Excuse me, hiccups. In New York time, it is way too early for me, so I'm trying to, figure it out. Excuse me, but that's it. Alright, let's take a look at today's poem, 2558. Take gifts from the richest pile. You're given an integer array gifts denoting the number of gifts in various piles. Every second, you do the following. Choose the pile with the maximum number of gifts. If there are more than one pile with the maximum number of gifts, choose any. Leave behind the 4 of the square root. Take the rest of the gifts. Return the number of gifts after k seconds. Okay, so leave behind the 4 as in like the mathematical function, and not just like leave on the 4. Okay. Take the rest of them. So basically, if you're given 100, square root is 10. So then you keep 90, and then you take 10, right? Or you keep 90, and then you have 10 left inside. Okay. I think with problems like this, there are a couple of ways you can think about it. The first thing is just that you're repeatedly getting the maximum, and that should really be a hint about what you want to do. Usually it is going to be heap. In some instances, depending on other properties, you can also just sort once, but with this one, I do not believe that you could do that. Or maybe, no, I don't think so, because you can always just say like 100, for example, 109, 100 goes to 10, so it goes again before we go to 9, right? But other than that, everything should be straightforward in terms of understanding, right? I hope, right? So here, I guess I always write it this way, but I always forget that you can also just do like, so h is equal to just a copy of, well, yeah, okay, right? In gifts, we want to say, and here we want to get the max, right? And for max, there are probably ways to do it in Python cleanly, but I always just do it with negative number, because in Python, but not all languages, heaps are max in, confusing myself. Heaps are min heaps in Python, but not in every language. And in this case, to get min heap or to get max heap, I do the negative of the result, and that's basically it. And here, then we can now heapify in linear time, though it shouldn't matter that much. And then now for each k, we want to say, we heap pop, if I could spell it correctly. So x is equal to negative heap pop, right? That's the gif, or maybe a g for gifs. And then we put it back in the square root of it, right? How do something like this, right? Oops, how did that auto thing? Okay, and that's pretty much it. And then now at the end we can just return sum of heap. Though we have to kind of because we know that heap is going to be all the elements inside the heap. It's going to be negative, so we can just kind of do this, right? A negative because we're sorting it the other way. So yeah. Argument must be list. Oh, ref. I always forget. Python it's because it's not, because in Python, heap is not an object, so you have this library that operates on the list, so that's why it's always a little bit awkward as a result. Oh no, not heap push. I'm just like really dumb today. Yeah, okay, well that's not right. Did I misunderstand this one? Maybe I did. more than one power. No, that's no, that sounds right. Why do I have negative 22? I mean, oh, I know. Because I forgot to, on the push, I forgot to make it negative to kind of keep the invariant that we want to max heap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think the negative part is a little bit of a hack, but in Python, that's how you do it. I don't know. I think someone told me that there's a way to do it with compare though. But and maybe I need to learn how to do it that way. But that's it. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. This is O of n, right? This is n log n, and yeah, and these are just O of O of k number of iterations. Of course, these are still O of n, so it's gonna be k log n. I do wonder if I don't think I want to say I don't think you could do it with fewer than log n or n items, which makes it log n, but maybe I'm wrong on that one. I'm very tired today though. I ran outside in the rain, and that is just, I don't know, probably dumb. But that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all tomorrow and take care. Bye bye.